Shopping for essentials.
We need to buy some food for the new apartment.
Okay, I will get a shopping cart. What is on the list?
We need bread, milk, and 6 eggs.
Do we need any fruit? The apples look very fresh today.
Yes. Let's take 4 green apples and some bananas.
I also want to buy some coffee. Where is the coffee aisle?
It is over there, next to the tea and sugar.
Oh, look, there is a big discount on this olive oil.
Put it in the cart. We also need dish soap and sponges.
I think that is everything. Let's go to the checkout.
Wait, I forgot the butter. I will be back in a second.
Inside the new apartment.
This is it, our new home. It is very bright.
I love the large windows. The view of the street is nice.
It is a bit messy now. We have many boxes to open.
Where should we put the sofa?
I think the sofa is best near the window.
I agree. And the television can go on that wall.
I will start in the kitchen. Can you help me with this heavy box?
Of course. Be careful with your back, Mark.
Don't worry, I am strong. Where is the kitchen tape?
It is in my small blue bag. I will get it for you.
Thanks. Tomorrow we need to buy some curtains.
Yes, and some plants. I want this place to feel like home.
At the Italian restaurant.
I am so hungry after all that shopping.
Me too. This restaurant smells amazing.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I would like the spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Certainly. And for you, sir?
I want a large cheese pizza, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just a glass of water with ice, please.
I will have an orange juice.
Excellent. Your food will be ready in 15 minutes.
Thank you. Mark, look at the prices here. They are very cheap.
You are right. This is a great place for a quick dinner.
Waiting for the bus.
Oh no, we missed the 5 o'clock bus.
Don't worry. Look at the sign. The next bus is coming in 10 minutes.
Which number do we need to take to go to the park?
We need bus number 42. It stops right in front of the park entrance.
Do we have enough money on our transport cards?
I think so. I added $10 to my card this morning.
I need to check mine. Is there a machine nearby?
Yes, there is a ticket machine next to the newsstand over there.
Okay, I will be quick. Please wait here for me.
Hurry up, Mark. I can see the bus coming down the street.
At the city library.
Shh, Mark. We must be quiet in the library.
Sorry, I am looking for a book about city history.
I think the history books are in the blue section near the window.
Oh, I see them. There are so many books.
I want to find a book with easy English stories.
Look here. This shelf is for English learners.
This is perfect. I like the pictures in this one.
How many books can we borrow at one time?
We can borrow 3 books for 2 weeks.
Great. Let's take these to the front desk and register our cards.
At the post office.
Good morning. I want to send this package to my parents.
Hello, please put it on the scale.
It is a bit heavy, Mark. What is inside?
It is a new coffee machine and some photos of our new apartment.
The weight is 2 kilograms. Do you want to send it by express mail?
How much does express mail cost?
It is $15. It arrives in 2 days.
That is fine. I will pay by credit card.
Don't forget to write the address clearly on the box.
I already did. It is on the white label.
At the clothing store.
Mark, look at this blue jacket. It matches your eyes.
I like the color, but I think it is too small for me.
Let me find a larger size. Is this a large or an extra large?
This one is a medium. I definitely need a large.
Here is a large. Go to the fitting room and try it on.
What do you think, Emma? Does it look good?
It fits perfectly. It looks very smart.
How much is it? I don't see the price tag.
It is $40. There is a 20% discount today.
Great, I will take it. Let's go to the cash desk.
At the coffee shop.
This coffee is delicious. I really needed this break.
Me too. We worked very hard on the apartment today.
What should we do this weekend? The weather will be sunny.
We can go to the city museum or visit the new cinema.
I prefer the cinema. There is a new action movie starting at 7 p.m.
That sounds fun. Should we buy the tickets online?
Yes, it is better. We can choose our seats.
Okay, after the movie, let's have dinner at that small bistro.
Good idea. It will be a perfect Saturday night.
Checking into the hotel.
Hello, we have a reservation for 2 people.
Yes, the name is Mark. We booked it online last week.
Hello. Let me check the computer. Yes, Mark. 1 room for 2 nights?
That is correct. Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes. Breakfast is free from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Great. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, the gym is on the 2nd floor. Here are your keys.
Thank you. Which way is the elevator?
It is behind you on the left.
Perfect. Let's go and drop our bags.